The emergence of artificial intelligence has fundamentally changed how we live, work, and communicate. As we move into 2025, the acceleration of AI-driven tools is no longer something that belongs to the distant future. It is already a part of our present, quietly and sometimes loudly reshaping entire industries. Many jobs that were once considered secure are now at risk as AI becomes more capable of replicating human tasks at an unprecedented scale. From manual labor to white-collar work, the scope of AI's influence is vast and sweeping, and understanding which tools are poised to replace human jobs can help individuals and businesses prepare for a rapidly changing economic landscape. Automation is not a new concept, but the sophistication of today's AI tools is on a completely different level. Previously, automation focused on repetitive, mechanical tasks in manufacturing and production. Robots were primarily used on assembly lines, welding car frames, or packaging goods. These robots operated on pre-programmed instructions and had limited capacity for adaptation or learning. Today's AI tools, however, are not just following instructions. They are learning, improving, and even making decisions on their own. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast data sets to discover patterns and make predictions that can rival or surpass human intuition. Natural language processing tools can understand and respond to human speech, making them valuable in customer service and support. Image recognition systems can scan thousands of images to identify faces, objects, or medical anomalies with greater accuracy than trained professionals. In the field of customer service, AI chatbots and virtual assistants have become ubiquitous. Companies use them to handle routine queries, reducing the need for large call center staff. These AI systems can handle complex conversations, escalate issues when needed, and provide 24/7 support at a fraction of the cost of human agents. As a result, many entry-level customer support roles are expected to disappear, affecting millions of workers globally. Businesses benefit from reduced costs and improved efficiency, while consumers enjoy faster response times. However, the trade-off is fewer employment opportunities in a sector that once provided a vital entry point into the workforce for many people. In legal services, AI tools are now capable of reviewing contracts, performing legal research, and even predicting case outcomes. Tools like e-discovery software can sift through millions of documents and litigation cases to identify relevant information. Traditionally, junior associates and paralegals perform these time-consuming tasks, learning on the job while providing valuable support to senior attorneys. With AI handling these tasks more accurately and faster, the demand for entry-level legal positions is rapidly declining. This change doesn't necessarily mean the end of lawyers, but it does suggest that fewer human hours will be needed to accomplish the same work, thus shrinking job opportunities for newcomers to the legal profession. The financial sector is another area undergoing rapid transformation. AI-driven trading algorithms already make split-second decisions on the stock market, far outpacing human traders. Robo-advisors provide investment advice tailored to individual clients, often at a lower fee than traditional financial advisors. Fraud detection systems powered by AI analyze thousands of transactions simultaneously, catching fraudulent activity before it escalates. These tools reduce the need for human oversight in risk assessment, investment management, and compliance. As banks and investment firms continue to adopt AI, many middle office and back office roles will be either automated away or significantly reduced. Healthcare is also not immune to the reach of AI. While many people assume that caregiving and medical services require a human touch, AI diagnostic tools are proving to be shockingly effective. Algorithms trained on millions of patient records can detect diseases like cancer in medical scans with higher accuracy than some radiologists. AI can monitor patients' vital signs in real time, alerting doctors only when human intervention is necessary. Virtual health assistants can answer patients' questions, manage appointment scheduling, and provide post-treatment guidance, reducing the need for administrative staff and even some types of nurses. The displacement in healthcare is not absolute. Human doctors and nurses are still essential for complex decision-making and empathetic care. However, the demand for certain support roles and diagnostic specialists is expected to decrease significantly. In the creative industry, AI is making waves that few could have predicted a decade ago. Generative AI models can create music, write articles, design logos, and even produce entire advertising campaigns. Copywriting, once considered a creative stronghold, is now being augmented or replaced by AI tools that can generate marketing content in seconds. Graphic design tools powered by AI suggest layouts, match color palettes, and even adapt designs to different platforms automatically. For video production, AI can automate editing, generate voiceovers, and enhance visuals with minimal human input. While these tools empower small businesses and individuals to create content cheaply and quickly, they also reduce the demand for freelance designers, writers, and editors. In education, AI tutors and learning platforms are providing personalized education to millions of students around the world. These systems can adapt lessons in real time, targeting students' weaknesses and providing immediate feedback. Automated grading systems handle exams and assignments, freeing teachers from administrative burdens. As AI handles more of the instructional workload, the traditional role of teachers is shifting from knowledge delivery to mentorship and emotional support. However, in large-scale online learning environments, many teaching assistants and adjunct positions may become obsolete. Retail and logistics are two areas where AI tools are expected to have an enormous impact. Self-checkout systems and cashier-less stores are already becoming mainstream. Robots and AI-driven warehouse management systems optimize inventory, pick and pack orders, and handle last-mile delivery planning. Delivery drones and autonomous vehicles further threaten traditional delivery driver and warehouse worker roles. Retail workers who once stocked shelves or worked checkout counters are at high risk of replacement, especially in large retail chains focused on maximizing efficiency and minimizing labor costs. In agriculture, AI-powered drones monitor crop health, detect pests, and even perform targeted pesticide spraying. Automated harvesters and planting machines are reducing the need for seasonal farm labor. Precision agriculture, driven by AI analytics, helps farmers maximize yield while minimizing resources, making farms more profitable but also less dependent on human workers. While some jobs will remain to oversee operations and perform maintenance, the large labor forces historically associated with agriculture are shrinking. Transportation is also undergoing a massive transformation thanks to AI. Autonomous trucks and ride-hailing vehicles are nearing mainstream adoption. Long-haul truck driving is one of the most common jobs in many countries, employing millions. AI-controlled trucks can operate around the clock without fatigue, reducing delivery times and operating costs. As these vehicles hit the roads in larger numbers, countless truck drivers and delivery workers face the risk of redundancy. Ride-hailing drivers, too, will be affected as companies transition to self-driving fleets. Even in the construction industry, AI tools are beginning to make their presence felt. Robots can lay bricks, pour concrete, and perform demolition tasks with high precision. AI systems optimize project schedules and resource allocation, reducing delays and cutting costs. Drones survey construction sites, providing real-time data and progress reports. While skilled tradespeople will still be needed for specialized tasks, the overall demand for manual labor is expected to decline. In media and journalism, AI tools that generate news stories from data feeds are already widely used. Financial reports, sports recaps, and even basic weather updates are now often written by AI. This not only speeds up news production, but also reduces reliance on human journalists for routine reporting. As AI improves, it will be capable of producing more nuanced stories, threatening jobs even in higher-level editorial roles. Administrative roles, such as data entry and office management, are highly susceptible to AI automation. Virtual assistants schedule meetings, manage emails, and track expenses, reducing the need for executive assistants and office administrators. Automated bookkeeping and accounting software handle invoice generation, tax preparation, and financial reporting, challenging traditional accounting roles. As businesses adopt these tools, the demand for clerical staff diminishes. Security is another surprising field where AI is taking over. Surveillance systems powered by AI can detect suspicious behavior, recognize faces, and alert authorities instantly. Physical security robots patrol premises, providing 24/7 surveillance without breaks. These advancements mean fewer human guards and surveillance operators will be needed, particularly in large facilities or public spaces. The hospitality industry is also feeling the impact. AI concierge systems assist guests, handle check-ins and check-outs, and manage reservations. In some hotels, robot butlers deliver room service and amenities, while luxury hotels may still retain human staff to provide personalized experiences. Budget and mid-range hotels are rapidly adopting automation to reduce operating costs. Marketing and advertising agencies are using AI to analyze market trends, predict consumer behavior, and design campaigns. Targeted advertising powered by AI algorithms delivers personalized messages at the right time and place, maximizing engagement. This reduces the need for large creative and strategic teams, as AI can analyze data and generate ad copy more efficiently. In the energy sector, predictive maintenance systems powered by AI monitor equipment, forecast failures, and schedule repairs, reducing the need for large maintenance teams. Grid management systems powered by AI optimize energy distribution, requiring fewer human operators. Oil and gas companies deploy AI-powered robots for inspections and repairs in hazardous environments, protecting human workers but also eliminating many roles. Government and public administration are not immune. AI systems analyze policy impacts, automate benefits processing, and manage large datasets related to public services. As governments seek to become more efficient, clerical and mid-level administrative roles are likely to be replaced or reduced. While the loss of jobs is the most visible and immediate concern, it's important to recognize that AI also creates new types of work. Roles such as AI ethics consultants, data annotators, prompt engineers, and AI maintenance specialists are emerging. However, these roles often require specialized skills, leaving many displaced workers at a disadvantage unless reskilling programs are widely accessible and effective. The shift toward AI-driven automation will also change societal dynamics. The reduction in low-skilled jobs could exacerbate income inequality, leading to social and political tensions. Universal basic income, reskilling initiatives, and policies aimed at supporting displaced workers are being debated as potential solutions. But implementation is complex, requiring global coordination and strong political will. Many experts argue that rather than resisting AI adoption, society should focus on shaping it to complement human capabilities. AI tools can free humans from dangerous, repetitive, or mundane tasks, allowing people to focus on creative, strategic, and interpersonal work. However, without proactive planning, the transition will be painful for millions. In 2025, AI tools are expected to be even more powerful and accessible, accelerating the trend of job displacement. Cloud-based AI platforms make it easy for even small businesses to adopt automation. Open-source AI models empower developers to integrate advanced functionalities without the need for extensive expertise. As costs drop and capabilities increase, more organizations across all sectors will deploy AI tools, further pushing humans out of roles once thought irreplaceable. Education and training systems need to evolve rapidly to prepare the workforce for this shift. Traditional academic programs focused on rote learning and theoretical knowledge may no longer be sufficient. Emphasis must shift toward critical thinking, adaptability, creativity, and emotional intelligence, skills that are more resistant to automation. Lifelong learning and continuous upskilling will be critical for workers to remain relevant in an AI-dominated economy. On an individual level, workers must proactively assess their own roles and future-proof their careers by acquiring new skills and embracing technology rather than fearing it. Learning to work alongside AI tools, leveraging them to enhance personal productivity, and developing niche expertise will be key strategies for survival and success. Business leaders face difficult decisions as well. While AI offers clear efficiency and profitability benefits, leaders must balance these gains with social responsibility. Companies that invest in reskilling programs and create pathways for employees to transition to new roles will not only mitigate the social impact, but also build goodwill and long-term loyalty. As we stand on the brink of 2025, the wave of AI tools replacing jobs is not merely a prediction. It is an unfolding reality. The examples above illustrate the breadth and depth of AI's reach across industries, from warehouses and hospitals to courtrooms and classrooms. No sector is completely safe from the disruptive power of AI. The key challenge for society is to ensure that this transformation benefits as many people as possible rather than leaving large swathes of the population behind. Despite the looming threat to jobs, AI also holds the promise of a future where humans can focus on what makes us uniquely human: our creativity, empathy, and ability to connect on an emotional level. By strategically managing the transition, supporting workers, and emphasizing human strengths, we can harness the immense potential of AI while mitigating its downsides. In conclusion, AI tools that will replace jobs in 2025 are not limited to any single industry or role. They are wide-ranging, sophisticated, and rapidly improving. The choices we make today about education, policy, business practices, and personal development will determine whether we enter a future defined by widespread unemployment and inequality, or one marked by enhanced productivity and new opportunities for all. The coming years will be critical, and the time to act is now. Society must move beyond fear and embrace proactive strategies to adapt to the AI revolution, turning a potential crisis into an era of unprecedented human flourishing.